In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Chime account. If you want to set up a Chime account on your phone, the process is pretty straightforward whether you're using an Android device or an iPhone. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect from start to finish. First, open the App Store on your phone. If you're on Android, go to the Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. Once you're there, use the search bar and type in Chime or Chime, mobile banking. Make sure you select the official app so you're downloading the correct one. Next, download and install the app. On Android, tap Install. On iPhone, tap Get, then confirm the download if your phone asks you to. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a few moments, so just wait for the installation to finish completely. After that, tap Open to launch the Chime app. Once the app opens, look for the option that says Sign Up or Open an Account. This is what starts the registration process. You'll then be asked to enter your personal information. This typically includes your full legal name, date of birth, email address, mobile phone number, residential address, and social security number. Chime asks for this information to verify your identity and to comply with banking regulations, so it's important to enter everything accurately and exactly as it appears on your official documents. Once that's done, create your login credentials by choosing a password for your account. If prompted, you may also need to verify your email address and phone number. This step helps secure your account and make sure your contact information is valid. After entering your details, review your application carefully. You'll need to read and accept the account agreements and disclosures before moving forward. Take a moment here to make sure everything is correct, because submitting accurate information can help avoid delays during the review process. Then, submit your application for review. After submission, you'll need to wait for approval. If your application is approved, you'll be able to start using your Chime account directly through the app. In some cases, Chime may ask for additional information if they need to complete identity verification. Before you begin, keep in mind a few important requirements. You must be at least 18 years old, you need a valid U.S. residential address and a social security number, and Chime accounts are only available to U.S. residents. And that's it. That's how to create a Chime account on Android or iPhone.